Hey everyone, it's your mini money mentor here again, and today we're talking about money that starts from zero. If you've ever thought, I want to make extra cash, but I don't have money to start, this video is for you. Because right now, I'm about to show you 5 proven side hustles you can start today with absolutely no upfront cost, whether you're in the US, the UK, or wherever you might be watching from. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your lifestyle and how to begin before the day ends. Not to waste any more time, let's jump right in. Before we get to the list, I would like you to know why side hustles matter more than ever. Recent studies show that nearly 48% of working adults in the US and UK now earn from side gigs. With rising costs and tighter job markets, people are building extra income streams to stay ahead. And here's something interesting. Google search data for side hustle ideas has doubled since 2023. Isn't it crazy? So, if you're watching this, you're not late, you're early, and that gives you an edge. Side hustle number 1, freelance content creation with AI help. Thousands of businesses need blogs, captions, and emails every single day, but most can't afford full-time writers. You can step in as a freelancer using free AI tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI to speed up your writing. All you need is your phone or laptop. Here's how to start. 1. Create 2 sample articles using an AI draft, then edit them in your own voice. 2. Build a simple portfolio using free tools like Google Sites or Card. 3. Pitch your services to 5 small businesses on Instagram or LinkedIn today. You can charge between $50 and $200 per project once you land clients. And remember, everyone starts with one piece of work, so create yours today. Side hustle number 2, digital products and print on demand. This is where you make something once and get paid for it over and over. People buy digital planners, social media templates, and printable designs every day. You can create them free on Canva and upload them to platforms like Gumroad, Ko-fi, or Redbubble. Start simple. Design a 1-page planner template or motivational poster. Upload it, set your price, and share a short clip showing how it works. Once you have traffic, digital products can earn $200 to $1,000 per month in passive income. The secret? Consistency. Add 1 new design each week and watch your library grow. Side hustle number 3, affiliate marketing. This is quite a simple model. All you need to do is recommend products you love and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Affiliate programs are booming in 2025, especially for apps, gadgets, and online tools. Here's how to start free. Step 1. Pick 1 product you already use and truly like. Step 2. Sign up for its affiliate program on platforms like Amazon Associates, Impact, or Share a Sale. Step 3. Create a short video review or a carousel post with your link. Even a few sales each month can bring in an extra $100 to $300. And once you build an audience, those numbers multiply really fast. Side hustle number 4, faceless short-form videos. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are still exploding and will continue to explode. The amazing thing is that you don't even need to show your face, just like the channel you are watching this video from. All you need to do is to create short clips using free stock footage, captions, and a voiceover. Share quick money tips, productivity hacks, or cool facts that you know people are interested in. Start with topics like 3 apps that save you money, or this free tool helped me earn $100. Use CapCut or Canva video to edit and post daily. Each video is a mini advert, bringing traffic to your digital products or affiliate links. This is practically free exposure, and one viral clip can change everything. Finally, number 5, online tutoring and micro-coaching. In this current dispensation, if you can teach anything, you certainly can earn from it. Maybe it's English grammar, basic math, Excel skills, or even social media growth. Sites like Preply, Superprof, and Fiverr let you list your skill for free. Start with a low rate, let's say $15 per hour, just to get reviews. Once you have a few happy students, you can charge $30 to $50 per hour or more. And remember, coaching isn't limited to academics. You can teach productivity, budgeting, even health habits too. Everyone knows something valuable. You know something valuable. Start with that one thing. We have seen the 5 side hustles you can start now. But before we go, let's recap. 5 side hustles you can start right now with $0. 1. AI-powered freelance writing. 2. Digital products and print on demand. 3. Affiliate marketing. 4. Faceless videos. And 5. Online tutoring or coaching. Pick one and commit to it for just 7 days. And that is because action creates momentum, and momentum creates money. The only thing standing between you and your first income is the moment you start. So, dear friend, which side hustle feels right for you? Drop a comment below and tell me which one you want a full tutorial on. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss all our subsequent posts. I'm your mini money mentor, helping you grow smart and start strong. See you next time!